0 followers, 0 audience, 0 experience. $1,000 every single month. From AI, not passive income theory, not a course selling you a dream. A real, specific, step-by-step plan that works in 2026. I'm going to give you the exact roadmap right now in the next 6 minutes. Let's go. Beat. First, the mindset shift. Most people ask the wrong question. They ask, how do I make money with AI? The right question is, what problem can I solve faster with AI than anyone else? That's the entire business model. Find a problem, solve it with AI, charge for the solution. Simple, not easy, but simple. Here are 5 specific ways to hit $1,000 a month, starting from 0. Beat Method 1. AI Content Service. Every local business needs content. Instagram posts, Facebook updates, email newsletters, Google business posts. Most of them hate doing it. Most of them pay someone to do it badly. You offer to do it better. With AI. Your workflow, client tells you their business. You build a Claude prompt with their brand voice. Claude generates a month of content in 10 minutes. You review, polish, send. Charge $150 per month. Per client. 7 clients equals $1,050. 7 clients is very achievable in your first 30 days. Time investment per client? 2 hours per month. 7 clients equals 14 hours per month. That's $70 per hour from a service you started this week. Beat Method. 2. AI video production. You already know this workflow. Script, voice, images, edit, publish. Businesses need video content. Product explainers, team introductions, service overviews, social media clips. They don't know how to make them. You do. Charge $250 per video. 4 videos per month equals $1,000. 1 video takes you approximately 3 hours now. 4 videos equals 12 hours. That's $83 per hour from skills you already have. Beat Method. 3. AI Thumbnail and Design Service. You've been making thumbnails. You know the formula. Shocking word. Number. Face. Contrast. Colors. Businesses and creators need thumbnails. Most YouTube thumbnails are terrible. The ones that convert follow a formula. You know the formula. Charge $50 per thumbnail. 20 thumbnails per month equals $1,000. Each thumbnail takes 30 minutes in Gemini. 20 thumbnails equals 10 hours per month. That's $100 per hour. Beat Method 4. AI Newsletter. Pick a niche. AI tools for real estate agents. AI tools for teachers. AI tools for fitness coaches. Every week, have 5 AI tools relevant to that niche. How to use them, why they matter. Build the newsletter with Claude. Research with Perplexity. Send with Beehive. Free up to 2,000 subscribers. Monetize with affiliate links to the tools you recommend. Most AI tools pay 20 to 30% commission. 100 subscribers converting at 5% equals 5 tool purchases per week. Average commission $20. 4 weeks equals $400. Scale to 500 subscribers. That's $2,000 per month from a newsletter you write in 2 hours per week. Beat Method 5. AI Prompt Consulting. This one scales the fastest. Businesses are buying AI tools, Chat, GPT, Claude, Gemini. They don't know how to use them properly. You do. You offer a 2-hour workshop, in person or on Zoom. You teach their team 5 workflows specific to their business. Charge $500 per workshop. 2 workshops per month equals $1,000. Finding 2 businesses per month willing to pay $500 to save their team 10 hours per week is very achievable. Bite. Here's the honest advice. Don't try all 5 at once. Pick one. The one that matches your current skills. Do it for 30 days. Get your first client, your first payment, your first proof. Then scale. Then add a second method. The biggest mistake people make with AI income is trying to do everything before doing anything. 1 method, 1 client, 1 payment. That's the whole first goal. beat. $1,000 per month from AI is not a dream in 2026. It's a 30-day project for anyone willing to start today. The tools are free, the skills are learnable in a week. The market is enormous and underserved. The only variable is you. Subscribe. Because every week on this channel, I give you one more real workflow that saves time and builds income. No theory, no fluff, just leverage. And if English is your second language, if your accent is the one barrier between you and your global clients, SpeakPro is in the description. 5 minutes a day, real results, real confidence. I'll see you in the next video.